This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Update and Security. This is where control lives. Pause updates first. That buys you time while you act. Once paused, press Windows plus R, type Services, MSC, and open the Services console. This prevents automatic restart. You do this because the update engine is the process that enforces downloads and restarts. Make sure to run these steps with an administrator account and keep the settings window visible so you can confirm the pause status. Once the services are stopped, you remove the files that trigger reinstallation. Open File Explorer, go to C, /Windows /Software Distribution, and delete the download and data store folders. Then clear C, /Windows /System 32 /catroot2 contents. You do this because those folders store pending update packages. Next, run disk cleanup as administrator to remove temporary Windows Update files. If you prefer PowerShell, stop WUSERV and bits with stop service commands. This ensures no files are locked, and the system won't Now you prevent Windows from reapplying the update automatically. Set your network as metered or OpenGPedit. MSC and configure computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, Windows Update to defer or disable automatic updates. Once configured, restart WUSERV and bits only after checking settings shows no pending installs. Finally, verify by checking update history and restarting once more. If an update reappears, use System Restore or roll back to the previous build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.